Show him a really high one. Hi. Baby's gonna ruin our tree. He's probably strong enough to bring that whole branch down. I don't want him to pull the branch off.
We got plenty of tree branches.
He's determined now. He's getting something out of that tree. Oh.
You get it, Sawyer?
What'd he get?
We got, it was a leaf that had like, it was like shriveled up, like it got frostbit. And so that's what it was.
Was that what he was after?
Yeah, it was, I think it's actually got a mold on it, I think.
Oh, gross. I don't want him to eat that.
Yeah, no. Because that's what it looks like. Though.
Oh, ick.
Yeah.
He didn't eat it, did he?
No, he just spits it out.
Buddy. Sawyer. Where's your bone?
Where's your bone at, Sawyer's?
Go. Oh. Go get your bone. $20 says he's jumping back up in that tree.
Yeah. Back in the street.
That's his new bone. Sawyer. Where's your bone? Get your bone. Where's your bone? Jax doesn't like this game. He's like, Jax is like, fuck this. I'm taking a nap. I feel you, Jax. Where's your bone? Sawyer, get your bone. Sawyer, does he have water? Sawyer, are you thirsty?